to use inventory adjustments. On your Applications tab, click Inventory. Wait for the inventory screen to load and Inventory Overview will populate your screen. Go to Operations and click Inventory Adjustments. After clicking Inventory Adjustments, a new tab will populate your screen. Click on Create. Upon clicking Create, a new one will be listed below. Click the arrow down button to choose for an item that needs to adjust. Once item is inputted, add the counted quantity and edit scheduled date. Notes: scheduled date is when the adjustments will be made. Click on Save. Then Apply. Notes: adjusted counted quantity will be automatically added in your quantity on hand.